Does Python use copyonwrite for copies of lists? Suppose I copy an existing list. Some edits. I heard that Python uses copyonwrite when either copied_list or existing_list is mutated. Is this true? Seems to me like an overcomplication that requires locking all over the place, think multi-threading. For clarity, I am not looking for a cow impl. I'm just trying to understand what's Python's standard behavior.
There is no copyonwrite. When you run copied_list equals existing_list column, a new list is built and populated immediately. Here is the source, this URL.
Most Python implementations use locking all over the place anyway, and it ruins multi-threading anyway, the GIL. But still, I don't think copyonwrite is used. It requires further locking and organization, it's a pretty low-level optimization, and the cost of copying will be smaller than usual as everything is a reference, so you just copy endpointers. You can read the source if you care enough. I didn't dissect all methods that may copy, but a quick search, copy, write, lock, didn't find anything indicating cow or a similar mechanism.
This isn't copyonwrite, this is existing references continue to exist until replaced. Nothing to see here, move along.
No. If you want a list implementation with copyonwrite, try list.
If you want to see more, please also subscribe.